welcome back. It's Christine again with the Artist Pod, and today we are going to be drawing a gray wolf. So, let's get arting. Alright, so we will be drawing a gray wolf today. This step is still a sketch, what I'm doing now. I still consider this a sketch, because I have to sort out fur direction before I commit to full pin pressure. Alright, so now we'll start adding the highlights and shadows. Obviously I haven't fully sketched it in. Sometimes I leave the ears and the nose a little blank, and I'll just go back and reference my original sketch to get those filled in when it's time. I think one of the eyes is bigger than the other, so I'm probably going to have to adjust that. But for the first section of brown that we're doing, it won't really impact that. So like usual, I have my light source coming in from over here, and we'll just get started. So wolves have like amber or yellow or green eyes. So I've chosen kind of a yellowish, amberish kind of color. And as you just saw, I sort of sketched it in. And now we're just going to add those highlights, which, again, light source is coming from over, over here. So it's just a matter of making sure we're doing that. After that, I'm going to go back through and sort of refine the colors. I feel like the brown is a little jarring. I've even darkened the brown at this point, but it still feels like it stands out a little too much for me. So I'm probably going to go back through and sort of temper off how it's all mixing together. Alright, so that is how you draw a gray wolf. I hope that was helpful. In the floating nether next to me, I have other videos of art tutorials I have done, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Take care.